Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to film a video on what I bought in Japan because I was in Osaka for 3 days celebrating my boyfriend's birthday, and all I did there was eat and shop. So if I wasn't eating, I was shopping. And I love shopping in Japan because everything right now is relatively affordable for tourists, and I love all their kitchen stuff. Like, I love going to buy their ceramic plates, their sake glasses, all the little gadgets that you didn't think you needed, but now you need. So I'm gonna get right into it, and I'll show you guys the liquor glasses that I got first. I'm obsessed with liquor glasses, and I got these really pretty ones. Super pretty. They are bigger than sake glasses, but I feel like it could be good for plum wine or something that's like higher alcohol percentage, but not like it wouldn't be like a shot. And these glass pedestals here are really heavy. So very, very well made glasses. And then you guys, I got the sake glasses that I've been coveting for so long now. I think these are like the traditional glassware Japanese sake glasses, and I've seen these before when I had omakase. They are so pretty. I got 3 of them. Here's 2 of them. They're different colors and different, patterns. This one's like a more blue one. And they're so delicate and just intricate. Each of these were 1,100 yen, which is relatively affordable because these are pretty expensive, these types of sake glasses. So I'm really glad that I got them. Switching gears to more inexpensive sake glasses, these were $1 each. So I just figured, why not? I got these ones, really pretty. They are ceramic and they're like these ombre, like blue sake glasses. So pretty. In that same store, and that store, by the way, is this one right here. I got 2 little ceramic appetizer plates, so pretty. And these were relatively inexpensive too. I don't remember how much they were. But they're beautiful, aren't they? Kind of speckled, and then they have this brown rim. It'd be amazing for like a little crudo or a little salad. Oh yeah, last thing I got from them, that specific store at least, I got a little chopstick rest. And I think I'm starting a little Japanese chopstick rest collection now at home because I got a bunch when I was in Okinawa too. But I got this one. It's like a cucumber. It's so cute. It's like $1. Okay, on that same street, I also got some plates in the sale section of this one shop. I at first didn't know how I felt about them, but they were 100 yen, less than $1 each. And I just figured they're kind of retro and vintage looking, right? Like they have these little flowers, almost kind of Danish looking. Like I feel like I can serve a slice of cake on this. Yeah, they're really cute, just like kind of retro. So I figured I'd snag them up for less than $1 each. And then I also bought a few like kitchen gadgets slash kitchen like prepware. They're all like stainless steel metal. I got this little berry colander. Well, I'm using it for berries because in the morning I've been making this chia seed pudding, and I don't want to use like a big colander to wash my berries. So I figure this is like the perfect little size, and you can also, it has these little legs here so you can kind of rest it on your sink and the water will flow through. Perfect little size. And then I got this strainer. It's like a very fine mesh strainer, and I make miso soup every week, so I figure this would be really nice to use so I can strain my miso through this little mesh thing here. And this is the brand. Next, I got 2 things to kind of use when I'm prepping to cook, like to put my ingredients on. I wanted to get these because I like that they're stainless steel, so it's very like sanitary. It's very light because I just use like regular like dinnerware to put my raw meat and vegetables on, but these are very light, easy to clean, and these are really high quality too. So I got this plate here, and then I got this tray. So anything that's maybe a little bit softer or mushy that I don't want to put on this plate because I need this rim to kind of hold it together, I think this is the perfect tray for that. And again, really nice material. One last little kitchen thing that I got I really had to hold back, guys. It was hard. But I went to Orange Street, which is this shopping street in Osaka, and I went into the store called Timeless Comfort to buy this plate that I've been wanting for so long now. I see it at restaurants, and this one was a little bit more expensive. It was 2,200 yen. And it's just this beautiful, like, flower-shaped ceramic appetizer plate. Have you noticed I have an obsession with appetizer plates? It's just the perfect size, and it's beautiful. It's just so pretty. Okay, one other last, like, kitchen slash drink thing that I have here before we move on to groceries and, like, food items is this stainless steel mug from the Elephant brand, a very trusted household brand in a lot of Asian homes. This is the Zojirushi. I just call it the Elephant brand. That's why I was like, how do you even actually pronounce the brand? It's a stainless steel mug. And I've been using this brand for a long time. I have their rice cooker. But I love this. It's 0.48 liters. And it is the most beautiful pale yellow Easter egg color. And I drink warm water usually, or lukewarm. So this will be used for that, or it can be used for, you know, now that it's almost spring and summer here in New York City, I want to go on picnics and maybe I want to bring a little iced coffee with me. I can use this to keep it cold because this is so good at keeping things hot or cold for like hours, like almost a full day sometimes. And I love the little elephant logo at the bottom. It's so subtle and cute. Next, I will move into like some grocery slash food things. I knew I wanted to get salt in Japan before I went there, just because I've heard that they have like an extra umami flavor. So I stopped by this salt miso shop that I just randomly walked by to get this bag of salt. It's like a roasted sea salt is what it says. I've never seen it before, and I don't think you can get this in regular grocery stores. So I'm gonna try and let you guys know if this has like an umami flavor. In Japan, it's like all about the little details when it comes to food, you know? So that's what I love. And then I got these rice seasoning packets, like seasoning things to just kind of jazz up your rice. And then this is kind of random, but I got some bay leaves because I use them a lot in my cooking, and these were less than $1 each. So I figured, why not if I'm gonna use bay leaves anyway. And then I got some chocolate. So this one is a mini chocolate matcha. I think I got this from Family Mart. I got Meiji black chocolate. You can find Meiji here too, and I love their chocolate almonds, but this just happened to be there and it was a little cheaper, so I figured why not. And then I got this Roy's chocolate ume hojicha bar chocolate. Isn't that super unique? Roy's chocolate is a really popular brand, and I even saw it in Hong Kong, and I'm sure it's in other Asian cities too. But I'm really excited to try this. I'm gonna like indulge in this in a bit. I also got some medicine. I've heard really good things about Japanese like medicine, like over-the-counter medicine. So I wanted to get this one, which I already started using. It's for your stomach, and I think it's supposed to help with bloating, just like general intestinal pain. You can see the little picture, and it comes in this little glass bottle here. You take 3 at a time. I've already tried it a couple times. I think it works. I think it works. And then this thing I've heard things about. This is something that you take before you're about to get sick, I believe. It helps you not get sick. And I actually haven't been sick in a while, knock on wood. But because I travel so much and I'm always out and about, I need something like this. So we'll see how this works. The other thing I got there were some coffee beans, and I've heard that they're a little bit cheaper in Japan. That's why I decided to get them. And I actually did enjoy coffee at most of these places too. But the first one I got is by Lilo Coffee Roasters. Their coffee was really good, you guys. And they have this like chart where you can choose coffee from all different regions around the world. And look at how cute this packaging is. So this one is from Colombia. So cute. And then I saw this one from China, Dihong Yunnan. It has like an yeast fermentation honey flavor. So I was like, yes, coffee from China. That's so cool. I got a little bag just in case, I don't know, that I wouldn't like it or something, but I generally like every kind of coffee. I also went here. This is coffee that I had on the last day, Nokri Coffee Roaster. I've actually already started drinking this. I'm drinking it right now. It's a little bit on the lighter, more acidic side. And then I stopped by another coffee shop. I'll put it on the screen what it's called. But I got like a bigger bag of their Kenya washed coffee. It was kind of like cool because the coffee shop was like underground and they also roast on site and look like they take their coffee very seriously. This one has notes of black tea, raisin, almond, and brown sugar. Lastly, I got a tea. So this is not a coffee item, but it is some roasted green tea from Shizuoka. And I got this in the tea house that I went to on my last day. It was the most beautiful tea house. And I just got some loose leaf green tea. This looks super good. So definitely gonna brew that in my little personal tea pot that I have. Okay, moving on to just some like random household item things, because you know, it's so good for that kind of stuff. I got some Japanese poopery, and I think you can get them here in Daiso too, but these were like $1 each and I need them for traveling, so I got these. And then Andrew always uses this, and they're cheaper there in Japan. So some Biore pepper strips. And then I already took this out of the bag, or the box, but these are like fragranced deodorizing stickers that you can put in your closet so your clothes don't smell. And this is kind of random, but I got some socks from Family Mart. I just thought they were really cute. They are these kind of crew length ones, or I don't know, maybe a little longer than just crew. And I like the color, so I figured why not? I also got these two little clips, these stainless steel clips that I thought were super cute in Japanese. Maybe this is more of a kitchen item, but they're fish shaped and it can be used to like clip leftover potato chips, or even like tea bags or anything like that. Lastly, I have been needing a box cutter. So I got this one. It just looks really well made and it's a smaller size. I saw a bigger size too, but I wanted to get the smaller size. It feels really heavy too. So I'm sure this is gonna be nice to use, because right now I'm just risking the palm of my hand every time by using these really crappy scissors to open all my boxes. It's about time I get a box cutter. And then I went to the store. It was called Biotop. It was super pretty. It was like a multi-level clothing / home store, and there was a cafe at the very first floor, and I just loved everything in there. But I got this candle. It's a travel sized one just because I wanted to see how I like it first. But it's a Japanese brand called APFR. I got their white tea scent. It is so strong. Like, for being a travel tin candle, I swear this could, like, the scent will transcend through my entire apartment. Beautiful. It is, I don't know if I said this already, but it is made in Japan, so it's a Japanese brand. And it says that it lasts for 30 hours. This little travel size. It is so potent. Like, I could smell it from here. Love the packaging, very minimalistic. I realized that there was one thing I didn't show you guys from the kitchen section. You guys, this matcha bowl. I've been needing a matcha bowl for so long, but I've been just using a rice bowl instead for all the matcha I make at home. And you know what, I figured it's time to upgrade. It is. It's this beautiful gray matcha bowl, ceramic of course, and it has this very like irregularly shaped rim. And it's really wide. There's like a triangle inside. It's just so pretty. And I think this was around like 20 something dollars. So still more affordable than ones that you'd get here in the States. Okay, last thing. I didn't really have time to shop for any clothes as much as I wanted to, but I did go into a secondhand store called Kindle. I got this black jacket. I was so inspired by the style there. Like, everyone is just dressed super cool and hip and different, especially on Orange Street. But I got this very, very gently used, excellent condition, black jacket. Kind of like a utilitarian style jacket. And it's by this Japanese brand, which I've never heard of, but I love it. I tried it on, and it's like the perfect spring jacket, and it's a little bit oversized. And I think I was very much inspired by the style there when I was buying this. So that is like the one clothing item that I got. But I also got a purse, you guys. And this is my second vintage item from this specific brand. I got a vintage Longchamp leather bag, and I already have like a smaller one in black because I just love vintage Longchamp, like their leather things. I don't really like their nylon tote bags that they're known for nowadays. It is a little bit scratched up at the bottom here. So I think that's why it was like extremely affordable. I think it was like less than $30, but I love the flap. It's very minimal. It's roomy. Also has another slot here. And most importantly, I love the amount of room there is under the shoulder, because I need to be able to very comfortably wear my bag and not be like struggling with my bag being all the way up here towards my armpit. It needs to work like this. It's just such a pretty color and I love it. Last item in this entire haul is this hat, and I'm not really too big of a baseball cap person, but I want to start wearing hats more because I'm getting more sunspots on my face, just aging, you know, as I get older. I want to protect my face more. I went inside this shop that sold a lot of these hats, sports hats, I don't know, but I like this one because it has a tiny little New York logo here and it's in this dark denim color. And I like it a lot. Really need to wear this more. That is it for everything that I bought in Japan. I wanted to buy more, but you know, limited luggage space. So maybe that's a good thing, but I also didn't really have that much time there, so I couldn't buy everything. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks and have a great week. Bye.